Yazata, Goshurun, I ask you that you empower the farmers and the good people of the land to protect the animals and to overcome the automatic evil forces that want to destroy small farming and put us all into a state of subservience where we're forced to eat the toxic foods and poison, like a new type of feudalism where there's certain classes that have healthy food and then there's other classes that don't. So I ask that you push them back and defeat them and help the people to do the right thing for the animals and for everyone else. That way we can have well-being and health and reestablish the good dominion. Goshurun, Goshurun, Drasvia, Surya Mazdayasnian. 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 Gosh, to the body of the cow, the soul of the cow, to the powerful Drasvia. Meva Mazda and holy. Goshurun, Goshurun, Drasvia, Surya Mazdayasnian. Goshurun, Goshurun, Dravasvia, 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 Surya Mazdayasnian. Goshurun, Goshurun, Zoroastrian, Surya Mazdayasnian.